Now we see the
terminating LNER
service from Northgate.
No, it's from
ECS from Doncaster.
Nottingham.
And we are over here at Lincoln.
LNER service to London King's Cross is delayed by approximately 19 minutes.
800 203.
The next train to depart from platform 4 will be the 11:80 LNER service to London King's Cross, Eastbourne, Newcastle, Grantham, Peterborough, Stevenage and London King's Cross. Platform 4 of the 11:80 LNER
Service to London King's Cross.
The Zoomers do look good, don't they? And as I said,
Departing now is the
25.
at East Midlands Railway. Service to Newark Northgate. 153321.
They run as one coach. No.
For Sowerby, Southston and Leicester.
No.
Getting ready to depart now is the 11:20. 158858 as is taking away the 11. Late one in 11:30 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central.
So an express train loses priority for that. Okay. I'm not going to question.
There should be a terminating. Incoming now, we see a terminating northern service from Leeds.
Where you can see it.
Yes.
Ah, there it is. It's 158.
158.
No, is that 807? I'll get you a second. 907. 158 907.